Good evening, Samantha, and good evening to all of the viewers and listeners.
Now, Mr. Mirage, do you think the Prime Minister is passing the buck by asking the police to investigate whether a revamped flying squad existed?
Oh yes, I think it is a cover-up. I think the Prime Minister knew of this story at least since the 2nd of February. And it takes hours to get the records of the Ministry of National Security through the Permanent Secretary. And within hours she can find out from the record whether such a squad existed and whether the Minister knew of it. The Prime Minister is on record in July last year of saying that she gave these directions to the Minister of National Security. And I think this is a cover-up. In any event, the simple fact is the Minister of National Security speaking the truth, and is the Prime Minister speaking the truth. And these are not criminal offences for the police to investigate. The police can investigate any criminal offences arising out of that at some later time, but this is a cover-up.
Now, Mr. Mirage, do you support the government's move to precept soldiers as police officers?
Well, any such law is like creating a new flying squad in the army, because that law is going to give a precept to army officers to do police work. They would have the power of arrest, and they would have the power to investigate and prosecute criminal offences. They would be under the command of the Chief of Defence Staff. But by Section 191 of the Defence Act, he is under the special and general directions of the Minister of National Security, and by extension, the Prime Minister and the Political Directorate. So in effect, you'll have police officers operating as army officers, or army officers operating as police officers, under the direction of the Minister of National Security, the Cabinet, and the Prime Minister. And this is just as bad as having a flying squad in the Ministry of National Security under the direction of the Minister of National Security. So this can be a mongoose gang like in Grenada. It can be a private army of the government to achieve political objectives.
And the government is proposing trials without a jury for violent crimes in order to speed up the delivery of justice. Do you think it will achieve the desired result?
No, I think these are knee-jerk reactions to the crime problem. The problem is that the police does not have the resources and the assistance of the government to detect crime. Of all the crime, murders, and serious crimes which have been committed this year, for example, you have had very little detection. So it is a question of not using the public relations of passing this law and that law and creating more bureaucracy in the criminal justice system. I think that this is a knee-jerk reaction, and it shows that the government doesn't have a clue and it does not have a plan to deal with the crime problem.
Thank you so much, former attorney.